Well, I've been laying off to do this video on the 2007 Mk5 GTI project car that I picked up for 400 bucks. The inside, yeah, it looks like crap right now. I've got parts and stuff laying everywhere. I just finished getting, I believe, all of the check engine codes should be cleared now. I got to put vag-com hooked back up to it and clear the codes to make sure, but last time I ran diagnostics on it, had the high pressure fuel pump, and that was it. I'm gonna breathe a little life in this thing. Still got to do the exhaust. They cut the cat off of it, and there's a little issue with the brakes that I got to finish up, but hopefully you guys can hear the turbo spooling up here in a second. I'm so happy that the limp mode is finally gone. Stay tuned for more updates.